no.
Only nanay.
The tree box! Miss you. How are you? Why are you crying? Oh, you're so big.
Sak, naiwan sa Jeddah si Sak.
Oh!
Oh!
Iniwan ako.
Why are you crying, ate? You miss nanay so much?
I will be in your graduation. Nakilala mo? Nakilala mo si Lorna? Nakilala mo si Lorna?
Let's go.